No, just kidding. All right, man. So yesterday I didn't take a trade. Before I made the video, I didn't take a trade because the errors on CMEG. But then they resolved the errors, so I decided to get back on after I posted my video, and I overtraded. Oh my gosh! And I got shaken out at a few trades, and I ended up having a negative day. Let's just freaking watch because this was awful. I'll take a BBIG trade. I don't think it worked out for me. No, I took a small profit for $12 for a small breakout. That's fucking wasting. That's just wasting commission right there. See, I don't need to be taking any trades unless the setup is there, because I'm about to talk about commissions. Yo, these commissions kicked my ass. Me. Anyways, I'll get to that in a second. What trade is this? Ford? No, I'm just looking for something to trade. See, here's overtrading. Like, I'm over here, I'm just like scattering around looking for something to trade. When I could just call it a day. I think I just wanted to see. I just like playing with this platform because it's a new platform. But man, it's just wasting money. I'm just trying to get more familiar with it. I think the more trades I take, the better. But the problem was all these commissions, and I'll tell you how much I had to pay for commissions in a second, man. It was awful. See, I see this 96 break right here on AMD, and I always have a hard time trading AMD. Here's the thing with these big caps is their ranges are so big. So and then because I don't want to lose too much money, I get I get shaken out pretty easily. I get shaken out so easily. I was hoping for a 96 break up to like 96.50 or 96 or 97, testing 97. And I think it eventually did that. I just didn't hold, because here's the thing with the big caps is, like, if you got the right call where if it's gonna go up or whatever, you could just put a limit sell and just go away, and then you'll just whipsaw around it, and then it'll hit your limit sell. And but if you're wrong and you come back, you can be like way gone, and I guess you could do like a range order, but I didn't want to lose too much. I guess I shouldn't even got into the trade, to be honest. I get whipsawed out. I think so yeah.
Peace out.
I was up for like a little bit and I missed the sell.
Yeah,
Like, so it
seriously.
spikes up to where I was in profit,
Oh
and
my
I try to get
gosh.
half out at 96.30. I had a 96.18 average, and I missed it. It wicked up there. Then it starts to fall back down, and I'm like, oh fuck, I gotta close this. And then I close it for a $34 loss. Now look at me looking for another thing to trade. If I'm never gonna do this, I'm never gonna do this again. I'm gonna make sure I get a quality setup or something. God damn. Wait, what happened here? Wait, am I in? Am I averaging in? I am. Every time I push that buy button, the average in is $3 or $4. I don't know how much it is. Commissions, dude. So you gotta make sure you get a good winner. Even though commissions shouldn't affect the trade, but your trade should be good enough to where it should cover commissions. So you want to get a good amount of shares, at least.
Might take a big hit here.
What happened here?
But
I ended up holding this loser a little too long. Usually, I like to cut my losers real quick, but because I was like, the commissions. Oh yeah, the commissions. I was seeing that I was losing on commissions, so I was holding a little bit longer than I wanted to, and that's why I missed. That's why I held my losers a little too long too. I think this is a loser for me for sure. 96.06. 96.06. That is my fill. I'm 5 cents out of the money already. And then it drops on me. I think I held it a little too long. Wait, oh, I'm averaging in. Oh, wait, I didn't even get the fill. This whole thing is ugly, and it falls back down and it hits my fill. So when it does that, usually it's gonna keep going down. There's so much red on the tape. Let me turn on my highlighter.
Yeah, it's worrisome because it keeps wicking.
Oh yeah, it's already on.
There, and I'm about to take just that hit.
Oh yeah, dude. Now I'm 20 cents down the money.
Low, BV-wop.
I'm now holding a little bit longer. Usually when I'm out of the money, if it takes 3 minutes, what I want to do is like if I hold for 3 minutes and it's not working for me, I need to get out. And it's been 3 minutes, but I'm just like, it's AMD. You know, AMD does go up, but it just whips all so hard past my risk tolerance because I have a small account. I don't want to destroy my account. Oh my god, I think I ended up losing. Yeah. Let me just get to the point where I'll lose. Oh, so yeah, see that hard sell? Breaks the support line right there past VWAP. Is a VWAP fade trade. Pajam, VWAP fade. Let's get out. I get out late. I got late as fuck. Because I was like, oh god, I can't do this anymore. I just can't play AMD. Just can't do it. AMD is just not my ticker. This happened before on my other accounts. Look at that. I should have got out the first time I saw VWAP broke, but I just got out so late. So then I just take a big, maybe I wait for it to recover a little bit and then I got out. Nope. 38 fill. I got the worst. Look at me, frustrated. I'm just like, why am I doing this? Going through my head. Why am I overtrading? Why? What is wrong with me? And then I don't stop, dude. I keep going. I'm hoping for a breakout over VWAP, I think. Oh, I already lost. Oh, I averaged in. So now I'm all tilted. The market is choppy as fuck. I thought I was going to get a 24 break. Boom. It ends up being like a 24 at the double top. I should let it test the VWAP first, let it pull back, and see if it can break through again.
Break up to VWAP.
But look at me.
24.30. I'll give it a 23.70, and then if I lose,
I said 23.70 is my out.
if I lose this, I lose.
Yeah, I said fuck it, I'll lose it. And $57 on Snap, but I couldn't get the fill. My ass was too high. I think it falls right back on me. So it curls back up. That's the real breakout, and I really kind of want it, I guess. Oh, I got the fill, and then I don't know what happened. Did I win? Oh, I made $53. And I got back onto save because of their good news about them getting bought out or some shit. Excuse my burp. I took the dip trade right here because it's following this trend. And I don't think I hold it long. I think it could have been a bigger winner. Oh, never mind. It broke. The trend broke, and I got out for a $9 profit. This is all shit trades. See, dude, look at the way it curled. I got back into Roblox because it was good for me for like the last few days. But this is like a double top. Boom, 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 boom. Double top on the 15 minutes. Curling up. It would pull back. If it's bullish, it would pull back and then go up. But I got in, so I don't know why I got in. I think I was just so desperate to get into a trade. And now I'm averaging in this loser. I should have just automatically just cut my losses right there at 330, 33.30. But it was because of all these commissions and whatever the fuck. Let's see that. I wait for it to pull up. And I was like, okay, because I waited for it to pull up to get out right here. So I average in and get out for like a $75.
Come on, just break that double top. Break through that. And we're going to test
Look
the
at me.
VWAP.
I'm praying. Look at me. I'm like, please, break it. I'm a shitty trader. I don't follow my rules. I'm a piece of shit. Please break it. Go, stock god. There's no stock god. You gotta be on point with your execution, and I am fucking disappointed in myself. And I hear my kid crying. Hold up. I'm almost done, Opie. This all happened after tomorrow, so this is actually yesterday. Then I got lucky with this. All right. check out the man. This is crazy, right? So the AGR. This is what I wanted to trade early in the beginning, and I would have got it right here in this area. I would have got it like 225 to 250 or some shit like that, maybe for the breakout, because that's my setup, and I love it. And this thing actually sets up the way I like it, but because it was so late in the day and it was running up on like news that was just pointless, I thought it was gonna fade out. And I short locate. I grabbed my short locate to locate 1,000 shares. Okay, and then I take I get filled at the high. I thought I was gonna double top. Let's take a look here, and it's running back up. It falls back down into the EMA, and I try to take some out 257. Really, I should have took it out on this because I still don't know. But one time I did this and I lost like 500. That it just spiked up on me, and I was just like, fuck it, and I got out. But really, it was on a no news, so the stock comes carrying back down the next day. So I got out of position, had my position at 261. It was like $20 realized, but then it spikes up past my average, and I end up. What happens? I'm trying to get it to. I think it spikes up past my average.
I ended up just losing.
Oh, I lost $5 on it because it spiked up way past my average. I think my average was like 265 or some shit. And I just ended up losing $5 plus a commission. Plus the short locates costed me $47 to short locate. So, yeah, and I was like, fuck. And I saw it running up again, and I decided to get back in. But what I should have waited for like the whole $3 mark.
Okay, I held this short position
because I made
overnight.
it something I would never do again. I think I stopped recording out of frustration. No, but it spikes up to $3. And I held this short overnight. Okay, and I broke another one of my rules. Okay, I'm not gonna do that again. But thank God I did. I mean, I got lucky. It could have just spiked up, and I would have had like the worst fucking week ever. So I'm pretty sure I need to be more disciplined. And yeah, but I held a short at 275, 1,000. It doesn't even show right here. And I can't even close it yet because CMG pre-market opens at 7:30 a.m. this morning. 7:30 a.m. It finally opened. It drops down to 236. I was like watching this shit the whole morning. You know, that's how you know. I was hoping it would stair step down, and it did. And I was just like, damn, thank goodness I ain't fucking $400 winner holding overnight. That's not really day trading. It was gapping crapped, but it was an overnight position. It's scary as fuck, dude. Never want to do that shit again. Holy fuck, dude. Actually, all my trades have been bad. I think I'm just gonna take a break. All my trades have been so awful. Everything's been hard to read. I take a quick trade off of AMD right after. Got 16 bucks. It was actually really bad because I took the break and then I got out so fucking early. I have a problem with this. I'm taking profits too early. I think I'm all tilted. I should have just held. I need to get good at holding half no matter what, even if it comes down. Oh yeah, DraftKings was in this trade. I was leaning more towards the breakdown, and you can see the clear consolidation right here, an A, B, C, and D type of consolidation. Usually it'll break up to the upside or break down. And I'm not really comfortable with shorting, to be honest. I'm kind of like a bull, so you're gonna see this shitty trade right here. I got my 1,000 shares, easy to borrow, thank God. I ain't doing no more short locates unless I know for a fact. I'm gonna try to avoid that shit. That shit costed so much money. What the fuck? Anyways, finally breaks down, and it follows my thesis, right? And I'm already here just looking to get out for like 10 cents, but I don't know, my hotkeys were like weird. I should have just held that right there. But I was scared that this was a quick dip. Like because it was moving back up, I got scared it was a fake breakdown and it was gonna come right back up because I was seeing a wick. I probably should have looked at like a different chart or something. I don't know, or just hold. So I ended up getting some out at like 5 cents. Like, see that it's coming right back up to 1308, and Really, with shorts, you just gotta like, excuse me, you just gotta hold it. You gotta hold it, man. With shorts, you gotta hold it, brother. Sometimes until it breaks out. You gotta be willing to take that loss. If you don't take that loss, you can't take this big win. You're taking these small fucking wins. Okay, so I got out all my positions at like 1304, 1305, 4 cent win. Like that's garbage. I got 30 cent, $30.
Just scalped it.
That's garbage, and it falls down to like 1280, which is a good bounce. It falls to the EMA. So if I was bull biased, this is my buy zone. But because I felt my trading was off, like the whole thing. I was just out of the zone. I saw the commissions fuck me, the errors yesterday. I didn't take the trade. I didn't take any trades after this, and it comes right back up to 13. That's been a 20 cent win, and then 20 cent win. It goes back up to 13.10, and then it comes back down.
All right, I FOMO'd into the very trade right after all that recording. Okay. I think I took a very trade actually, and I won. It was a breakout trade. This is supposed to be the final footage, right? And I traded after this because I saw that it was squeezing, and then I fucking chickened out and ended up losing.
Actually breaking out. Oh shit. Oh shit. See, I'm doing my video so I can record and put it out onto YouTube. But then look, you see Vera right here breaking out past 1450. You see my original order. I took the 1420 break and I got out like 1435 for a $79 win right here. Okay, I made $79. I'm up 539. Really 480 minus commission. Minus commission is like 480. Okay, and then for the day, including yesterday, which was like minus 412 with commissions and locates, I was at like $79 profit for the day. And my ass was like, saw this fucking trade right here, so I decided to go back into it. It's about to break.
I was like,
now I'm in the order. I can't pretend I'm in the order. I got 1450 fill, okay?
like I'm talking to myself through it, because I was like, there's no way I should not trade. I'm FOMOing. Blah blah blah. I'm FOMOing.
This is like a squeeze.
Bought it off. I should have bought off the EMA. When it's squeezing like that, you just take the EMA trade. Just take your loss. Better than.
That's the take trade. I want to get into this trade, dude.
Hear me talking.
It starts breaking up. When it starts breaking up.
Look at me. I'm FOMOing.
This feels like it's gonna go.
I'm up $79. Why are you doing this?
It's just looking at it, just like you can just see, because you got the shorts. They got their stops at 1450. Here.
There, I'm in the trade.
Take the order.
Oh, and it doesn't go my way. But I could have just held it, because the shorts were squeezing. But I was just like, when it comes right back down to 37, that's what made me say, oh, what the fuck? Now I'm down what? Unrealized $151. And I'm just like, fuck my profits. I was up $79 today, you know? And I was like, I'm scared of the flesh. Where's my stop? Where my stop should be? My stop for here. The stop should be, right here, that blue line. I should just get out that blue line. But because I have such a heavy position.
Yeah, that's what I was afraid of for real.
Because I'm just trying to make, I thought it was going to be. But then see that fall. Oh, yeah, it didn't even fill me. Oh, this is actually a hardcore fucking drop, too.
Did I finish?
It didn't fill me. Actually filled it at a lower price.
No, I ended up fucking losing way more. That's what. Damn. Holy shit. I knew it. Now 182.
Oh shit.
Now I end up losing $100. I knew it. I overtraded.
Uh-oh.
Damn. And I got it all recorded too. I knew it. I knew what I was watching out for. Oh my.
See, I said, hey. You're FOMOing to this. You already got that $79 win. But, I could have been cleaner. Because then I get back into it, bro. It's like an addiction. I'm addicted. This is my third try at it. So if it pops back up to 1460. So that's where there's where
Shorts are getting squeezed.
my original out was.
I
Okay.
see a lot of cells on them.
Okay, now I'm like, okay, I'm really gonna like be super patient with this, because I'm thinking, show that spike, and now it's holding up this trend line. Okay, so I'm thinking it has to get to 15. It looks strong enough to get to 15, and I'll just take a red day if it doesn't get to 15. Okay, that's my line of thinking right now. And see, look at that. If I held that, it was like a little double bottom type of deal, and I would have been super profitable today. Let's see the short squeeze. If I would have had like a proper stop. Sometimes you have proper stops, but then at the same time, I'm relying on my accuracy. The thing is, I'll be green as fuck. I'll be green as fuck if I didn't have such crazy ass commissions. So, but at the same time, I appreciate these commissions because I think they're gonna make me into a better trader. Because look, dude, that's already $79 commission right now. Okay, so if I lose this shit, I think at one point I'm down like super bad. I think I'm at a 72 break. I thought I was going to keep grinding up. So I was like, I'm going to give it like 30 minutes holding that shit. I think my out was going to be 1440.
Keep
Okay.
grinding up.
There's my stop. My 1440 stop. How many shares I got? 1,200 shares? Oh, shit. 1440. That would have been like, you see, this is poor risk management. But at the same time, I'm taking this risk. 1440 for like 7 for 30. Yeah, it's about 1-to-1. Because I got a 7 average. My price target's 15. I did take it out earlier because I didn't want to be scared. I was scared. It's doing the same pattern it's been doing, where it falls back down and you think it's gonna break down and it doesn't break down. So as soon as I saw that it popped back up, I was like, okay, yeah, this is for sure going to 15. And I'm just break. Let's hold the rest. Oh, 72. Oh, I took a 10 cent win. Just in case that's actually a double top. I mean, you gotta take some profit off the table for a 90 break. And I was gonna work on trying to hold a little bit better. Take out one more piece at 90. I was like, and here and I felt like just in case it was falling on me, I took out a piece because I was like, okay, what if that was a double top and then I get flushed out? And I was like, I don't want to make this day worse than what it is. So I went ahead and took out 300 shares, I believe, half my position again. So this could have been a bigger winner than it is. I'm seeing red. These are like the tricky stocks because the shorts are trying to fight. The shorts and the bulls, the bears and the bulls are fighting for their lives right here, for their livelihood. And as soon as I sell, it rockets back up. Like, imagine if I sold my whole position. I'd have been like, what the fuck? They be doing that to you. And I see this. Oh, I got out like half a piece at 93. It should be getting to 15. I'm
holding 156.
Holding 156. I guess I'm gonna get it out like at 15, like for sure. Like if it gets to 15, I'm getting it out of 15 or a break even.
For 15 break.
I think it gets there. It starts to fall back, but I'm like, it's okay if it falls because it's still it's just 156 shares, whatever, dude. I'll be fine, dude. Did I get it out? Did it go up to 15? Oh no. Oh, there it is. Wait, I get back into it again. For 15 break. So I got out earlier and I just... Holy shit, I got back in. This is the 4th trade, bro. My commissions are crazy high right now.
Here we go.
Look at me getting back in this bullshit.
Yeah, half off right now because I don't fucking...
Here's the final trade.
Half right there.
I'm looking for a 15 breakout. Man.
See how like late all this shit is? It happened again, the pattern. I didn't really get 15 fill, but it was close, and I felt like, and that's when it reversed, and it finally went down to like 1430. Now it's back up to like 1470. I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm holding a piece for 1520. Doesn't happen. I got out. Alright, that was a heavy rejection. $7 win, baby. All that bullshit for $7. God. I went from 80 bucks down to negative 180, back up to plus 8, and then you get commissions. Your fucking commissions, dude. My commissions were like $100. I don't know. So now that made me have a negative 124 day. Is that right? No, it's 222.05. Wait, is that right? Yeah, 112.79. For like the last 2 days. Yikes, boy. It didn't have to be like that.